Alright, so today we'll continue with Igbo, but now we are talking about addition and the subtraction in Igbo language, which is mgbakọ. Mgbakọ means addition. Mgbakọ na mwepu dị mfe n'Igbo. So mgbakọ means what? Addition. While mwepu means subtraction in Igbo. That is simple addition and subtraction in Igbo language. Alright. So let's look at mgbakọ dị mfe n'Igbo. Simple addition in Igbo. Okay. Mgbakọ bụ itinyere otu ihe ụzọ iji mara ihe ha pụtara. So this is adding two or more numbers to find their total. For one to be successful in adding figures or things in Igbo language, one has to be conversant with these terms. Okay, for you to be able to do this in Igbo properly, you have to be conversant or familiar with this term. Number one is na, which is plus. The next one is etinyere, which is in addition to. The next one is agbakwunyere, which is in addition to or plus. The next one is pụtara, which means equal to. You have to be familiar with these four things. Na, etinyere, agbakwunyere, pụtara, na, etinyere, agbakwunyere, pụtara. Be familiar with them. We have examples here. Anọ na ise pụtara itoolu. Okay? Anọ na ise pụtara itoolu. That means 4 plus 5 is 9. Iri na iri pụtara iri abụọ. That is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Iri atọ etinyere iri anọ pụtara iri asaa. That is 30 in addition to 40 is what? 70. Alright. Iri na abụọ etinyere iri na otu pụtara iri abụọ na atọ, which means 12 in addition to 11 is equals to 23. The next one is asatọ agbakwunyere asaa pụtara iri na ise. That is 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Alright, so isii agbakwunyere ise pụtara iri na otu, which means 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. Alright. Going further on this, we look at mwepu dị mfe n'Igbo. That is simple subtraction in Igbo. Alright. Mwepu bụ iwepụ ihe ma ọ bụ ọtụtụ ihe n'ihe dịbu adị. Now, the act of taking away a number or quantity from another number or quantity. Alright. Okay, for us to do this subtraction, which is mwepu is called subtraction. So for us to do it, we have to know this term. This term, very, very important. Number one is ewepụrụ, which means minus. Number two is pụtara, which means equal to. Yes, you have to know it very well. I have the examples here now. Otu narị ewepụrụ iri pụtara iri itoolu, which means 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. So you can see there. Narị abụọ ewepụrụ otu narị pụtara otu narị. That means 200 minus 100 is equals to 100. Iri asatọ ewepụrụ iri atọ pụtara iri ise. That is 80 minus 30 is equals to 50. Alright, iri na itoolu ewepụrụ iri pụtara itoolu. That means 19 minus 10 is equals to 9. And we'll have this one as well, which is iri isii ewepụrụ iri na ise pụtara iri anọ na ise. Okay, 60 minus 15 is equals to 45. Alright, so thank you very much. This is where we'll call it a day. I think I have done numbers in this channel, so you can look for it, and we have over 240 something videos here. So, and about 100 and something are focused on about, let's say 100 or 80 are focused on Igbo language, while other ones are focused in that business or other very important information. Alright, so thank you very much. Be a pursuant of knowledge, because knowledge is life. If you have any question, go to the comment section and ask your question. I will be glad to respond to you. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.